Hello, everyone. Meet Bob. Bob has a happy dog named Max and a quiet cat named Luna. They are best friends.
Every day, Bob feeds his pets. Max loves to eat. Luna is very picky. Bob always takes good care of them. Bob brushes their fur to keep them clean. Max loves the brush. Luna walks away. Bob just smiles at her. Sometimes, Bob reads books about animals. He looks at Max and Luna. He thinks, what are they trying to say?
One afternoon, a strange box arrives at the door. It is glowing. Bob is very surprised. What is inside this box?
Bob opens the box. He finds 2 magic pet collars inside. The instructions say these collars help pets talk like humans. Bob is so excited. He calls Max over. He carefully puts the glowing blue collar around Max's neck to test it.
Suddenly, Max opens his mouth. A loud, deep voice comes out. "Hello, Bob," the dog shouts. Bob cannot believe his ears. Bob is in shock! He drops his coffee mug on the floor. His dog can actually speak English! It is a miracle!
Max looks at his empty bowl. He says, "I am very hungry. I want chicken and beef right now, please."
Bob laughs. "He just fed Max an hour ago?" Max says, "That was a snack. It is time for dinner again." Bob picks up the blue leash. Max jumps up and down. "Oh boy, are we going for a walk? I love walks." Max runs to the window. He barks loudly.
Look, Bob! A squirrel! Let me outside! I need to catch the squirrel! Bob picks up a tennis ball. Max goes crazy. Throw the ball! Throw it fast! I will bring it right back. Oh! Max finds a huge piece of wood. Look at my stick, Bob. It is the best stick in the whole world. Bob sits down and hugs Max. Max says softly, "You are a good human, Bob. I love you very much."
Then, Bob gets the dog shampoo. Max hides quickly. Oh no! Is it bath time? I do not want a bath.
Bob brings a towel. Max runs away. Water is scary! I am clean enough! Let's play instead! After the bath, Max shakes his body. Water goes everywhere. Now we are both wet, Bob. Yeah, Max, we're soaked! Bob gives Max a dry towel and a treat. Max eats it quickly. Yummy! You are forgiven, human. Give me another!
Now, it is Luna's turn. Bob walks over to the cat tree. He gently puts the second magic collar on Luna.
Luna blinks her eyes. She yawns slowly. In a fancy, bossy voice, she says, "Finally, I can speak my mind."
Bob is amazed. He says hello to Luna.
Hello, Luna.
Luna replies, "Shh. Be quiet, human. You are interrupting my morning nap."
Bob tries to take a video on his phone. Luna turns her head away. "No pictures, please. I need my privacy." Bob gives Luna her dinner. Luna looks at the plate. "What is this? I told you, I only eat fresh fish." Bob shows her regular cat food. Luna turns her nose up.
That is disgusting. Take it away immediately, peasant.
Luna walks on the table. She pushes a glass of water to the edge. It falls and breaks. "Oops," she says lazily. Bob cleans up the mess with a mop. He is very tired. Luna watches him and says, "You missed a spot right there." Bob buys Luna a very expensive, soft bed. Luna sits in an old cardboard box instead. "This box is much better," she says. Bob tries to pet Luna's stomach. She scratches his finger. Rule number 1, Bob, do not ever touch the belly.
Later, Max and Luna meet in the hallway. They stare at each other. They both know they can talk now.
Max barks loudly. "Hello, cat, let's play! Let's run around the house really fast! Come on, it will be fun!" Luna hisses and arches her back. Go away, you silly, noisy dog. Do not breathe on my beautiful fur. They start arguing all day. Max yells, Luna complains. Bob gets a terrible headache from all the talking. Take me to the park! I want to smell the grass! Let's go right now, Bob! Whoa, Max, calm down! Park now! Okay, let's go. Luna meows loudly. Make the dog stop talking! I am trying to sleep for the 4th time today! Bob tries to do some work on his computer. He just wants a little bit of quiet time to finish his job.
Max drops the TV remote on Bob's desk. Change the channel, Bob! I want to watch the dogs on TV!
Put on the nature channel! Then, Luna jumps up and sits right on the computer keyboard. Stop looking at that screen. Pay attention to me only! Bob cannot take it anymore. He stands up and shouts, "Stop! Everyone please be quiet for just 1 minute!"
Bob walks over to Max. He gently takes off the magic blue collar. Max goes back to just barking happily. Bob walks over to Luna. He softly takes off the magic collar. Luna goes back to just meowing and purring. Bob puts the magic collars inside a heavy wooden drawer. He closes the drawer tightly. He does not need them anymore.
Bob sits down in his big comfortable chair. The house is completely quiet. He takes a long, deep breath and relaxes.
Max walks over and gently licks Bob's hand. He wags his tail. Good boy. He does not need words to say I love you.
Luna jumps onto Bob's lap. She curls up into a small ball and purrs loudly. She is happy and comfortable.
Bob drinks a warm cup of tea. He looks at his pets. This peaceful silence is perfectly fine with him. Bob learns an important lesson today. Love is not about talking. Love is a feeling you share in your heart.
Our pets do not speak English, but they talk to us every day with their actions. Actions speak louder than words.
Thank you for watching this story. Did you practice your English listening? Please like and subscribe for more fun videos. Thank you for watching this story. Did you practice your English listening? Please like and subscribe for more fun videos.